Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about what's in this box here from AlphaRex. Yep, we're talking about brake lights. And the reason I'm so excited is because for a while these brake lights were pretty hard to get a hold of. So we're gonna do a full install and review of the AlphaRex LED brake lights for 2009 to 2014 F150. So let's get to it. All right, well, let's see what's in the box. And there they are. They look great. Excited to get these installed. Let's see what else is in there. Got our one light. Got our second light. Your tool list is pretty simple. All you need is a 5/16 socket or a wrench in order to get the old lights out. So let's get started on the install. All right, first step, remove the bolts that hold it in. Pull the light out, takes a big tug, don't be afraid. Pull the lighting connectors out. Then you want to pull the bulbs out. You don't need those anymore since we're replacing with LED bulbs. Keep your reverse light bulb. Grab the new light, attach the connectors into the bulb socket. Then attach the reverse light into the bottom, keeping the bulb from your reverse light. And then insert the bulb sockets back in. Keep it nice and weather tight. And put the light back in. What you want to notice is this nub on the end. You actually have to line up in the back and then push, and you're in. Back in, hold it in place, and you've got your first taillight to go. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, some things that I noticed after the install. First of all, they stick out a little bit larger, a little more rounder than the factory ones that are more straight. Not a bad thing. The fit is really pretty good, nice and tight and snug, but there is one section where there's a bigger gap than normal, but it does recede down. Can't notice it too much. There was a tiny little light bleed behind this imperfection hole in the back, but I'm nitpicking here, guys. And man, look at these difference. Parking lamp, brake lamp. That LED look, it's really just a big upgrade from the factory. Well guys, what do you think? It's a pretty easy install to get those on. Loved upgrading to the LED lights so they're a lot brighter and come on a lot faster. And the look of that accent is very unique for these AlphaRex lights. These are a higher quality light than most of the tail lights that you're gonna find on the market that you pay $150 for. These were a lot more. I'll leave a link in the description below for where you can pick some up yourself, and I'll let you know long-term how they turn out. But right now, really excited about how they look, how they function, and really upgrading the lighting on the back of my truck. Hey guys, one more quick second. Please consider subscribing if you like this content. Visit beyondtheraptor.com and we have even more details about all the products that we review and maybe even some products that you're interested in. And hit that like button if you like this specific video, or tell us what type of video you'd like us to make. And have a good one.